Uh, am I audible? Am I
breaking.
audible?
Voice is breaking
Yes,
little.
you are.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good morning, all present here. I'm a butterfly master today's for today's meeting. So I'll be I'll be giving some topics on the topics. Each person has to speak at least for 1 minute and a maximum of 2 minutes. And the person will be qualified for voting if he speaks a minimum of 1 minute, and it should not exceed more than like 2 minutes. So and of happy Parents Day today. Like today is a Parents Day, so happy Parents Day for all of you, and all the best for the participants. And let's begin the session. So I will pick first who is new to this forum. Uh, Shreyesh Krishnan. Hello, Shreyesh Krishnan.
Yeah,
Am I audible?
am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Good morning to everyone. Actually, this is my first
Yes,
session.
yes, yes,
Your
yes.
general evaluator for the day, Vishal, is a very good friend of mine. He introduced me to the forum.
Okay, very good. So your topic is like today is a Parents Day. Like I would like to ask the question on parents. So in everybody's life, there'll be one person, right? Always supports you, whether it may be wrong or good. Like whether somebody like a mother or mother always supports you. And who would supports like whether your mother or father, and you have to elaborate on like when your mother or father, what you are like, which you choose.
Okay. So if you look at it that way,
Mm.
a mother can support in some roles, a father may support in other roles. End of the day, a parent will support you no matter what you do. That is how
Okay.
they nurture you through the journey of life. I would like to put it this way. A mother can nurture you in certain things such as getting a little bit of emotional intelligence in life, learning to care for others, and learning how to deal with certain emotional problems, learning how to respect elders, or it may be a small thing such as even feeding a dog. They may tell you go and feed a few biscuits. These are the small lessons of life that a mother may teach you. On the other hand, a father may teach you some lessons such as how to deal with people, how do you present yourself, how to make decisions in life, how to manage finances, and many other things. It cannot be put forth in words what they teach you throughout the journey of life. And to be frank, you cannot express the gratitude and the amount of sacrifice that they are giving you
Yes.
unless you become a parent yourself. And it may be a small brown bag discussion that you're having in the family dinner table that may spurt out a little laughs, or it may be a small bonding over a small cricket match that you may have with your father that may give many insights in life. So I'd like to end with the quote of the day that says, "A parent will have belief in you more than they have in themselves." If I'm not wrong.
Very good.
No
Thank you.
matter whatever situation you are in, if you're in a bit of should I put it discomfort, or if you're in a bit of tension, a parent would always say, "Go give it your best. Everything will happen for the good." That is the amount of belief that they have. Whether you are not prepared, whether you are fit to do the job, whether you are able to do it, all that comes secondary. For them, they have utmost belief on the child, saying that you can do it, and that one moment would make everything change for you. So I'd like to thank everybody for your patient listening, and I'd like to end it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Shreyas, and it was an indeed good speech. So then my next question goes to Aishwarya R.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay. Is it your first meeting?
Yes, sir. It's my first meeting.
Okay. I'll ask a simple question like, can you share your some of the best moments in your school days?
Okay. My
I
school days
request
is
you to
very good.
I request to turn turn on the video so that everyone can watch.
Okay. then I faced some network issues.
Okay.
Then I
Okay, okay, you
started.
can okay, you can continue.
Okay. Good morning to one and all. I'm Aishwarya. Um, I completed my schooling in Vasturga, Chitradurga district at Vasturga. I have I have enjoyed a lot at schooling because I have more friends in school days, and my teacher and in the I studied in the Vani Vilasa school at Vasturga. And that school I have so many fond of memories because the teachers are good and they teach me how to behave and how to grown up how to grow like very confidently, very good and very um, and I have a very good relationship with the people, with the teachers and all our classmates. I have a few good friends in our in my school times. Like my friends are all always touch with me now also, and I have a one and I share one good memory of my school days is I'm very active in the sports on those days. So my one teacher said that have you have a very good bonding with your my teacher said that you have a very good knowledge in all the other cultural activities and all the sports, and also so then you grow and grow that skills, and you will become the good champion. But unfortunately I'm not continuing that sports and all. So then okay, then thank you for
Well done, well done. Very good. I think next question goes to Sarvottam. Sarvottam.
Hello, hello.
I'm audible? I'm audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Your question is, if you are a president of ICI,
Yeah.
like what changes like do you want to bring to the students or like to the members?
Mm, yeah. Thank you, thank you. Good morning, Vandal. Attending the SSF. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks for the thumbs up. Yeah. If I am president of ICAI, what would be my contribution or uh, my changes which will be welfare of our students or members is the question. And
Yes,
as
yes.
of now, yes, yes, thank you. Thanks for the confirmation. As of now, the institution is grown up in such a way that it's working great. It's working great. And yes, definitely, I will say there is a scope of improvement and transparency. Transparency is the key that I want to make it in an institution that how the marks are allocated and how the exams are conducted, um, daily updates that the institution is taking, daily decisions that are made by the institutions. Transparency is the key that will make even more clear. As of now, yes, it's there. It's there in website that announcements are all are there, but even more transparency, like minute to minute update, like linking and Aadhaar and PAN. We can see minute and minute update of transactions, right? Like that, we can see the updates of institutions. And other than that, that's it. I think. institution is doing a wonderful job. As a president, I dare to take few daring decisions such as conducting exam in such an pandemic time is something which is great that taken and will be took if I would be president also. It's not even a matter of exam, it's a matter of lives of thousands of people all over India. Thank you. Thanks for the wonderful question. Over to you,
Well
Kiran.
done. Well done, Sarvattam. Thank you. Thank you very much. My next question goes to our GE today's like Vishal.
Yes.
What is your uniqueness that separates from the others?
My uniqueness.
Yes, that separates from others.
Okay. And that's a good question because it's a little bit I think it's mostly introspective, because if I'm looking from my point of view, and if I have to pinpoint something that makes me unique, I don't know. I think I've not given this much thought, but off the top of my head, I have to go with the values that that my parents have gifted me. I think that I would never cross certain lines. Doesn't matter what happened, no matter the dire circumstance that I am in, I would never cross those lines. I think that's something I am seeing very less of nowadays, and I'm a little bit concerned about that, because doesn't matter how you are nurtured, doesn't matter what stage you are in, what circumstances you grow up in, there are a few certain basic things that one must not, one cannot, one should not cross. Unfortunately, we are seeing a lot of that happening. Hypocrisy is something I really despise with every ounce of my being. Every single blood drop of mine hates hypocrisy, and I see it rampant, and I cannot stand it. So that's, I think maybe that's the reason that people whom I associate with very strongly are people with strong sense of morals, strong individuals as such. For example, this group here, all of us understand the value that you have to be principled in life. What is life? Anybody can live life. Even a dog lives a life. Even a worm lives a life. What's the use of living life like that? You have to live like a human being. And I think the best way to do it is by being principled, is by taking, being yourself, and is to have that confidence in yourself. As the quote of the day goes, believe that your parents have believed in you first, even before you did. Have that always in the back of your mind. Back to the butterfly master. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Vishal. And my next question is to Monish Valampalli and Ashrit.
Yes.
Monish, you with
Yes, I am.
Ashrit. Okay, yes. So Monish, you are the movie director. You are the new movie, like you're not directed any movie before. This is the first
Okay.
movie, and Ashrit is a well-established hero. Like it can mean like you can take in any industry, like whether it's like Collywood or Tollywood or whichever you want. So he's an established hero.
Hollywood for Ashrit.
Yeah, okay. Hollywood, right? Okay. He's an established hero. So since you are a new director, you have to approach him. So that you have to narrate the script and you have to convince him that you will go move with him.
Okay.
And
Thank you, Kiran, for wow.
and Ashrit, you have to respond to him like asking the questions.
Okay.
Yes, you can start. You will have 4 minutes. Like both of you have 4
Yeah.
minutes. Like since you are.
Thank you. First of all, thank you, Kiran, for such wonderful talking with Ashrit.
So I'll be noting down that.
Kiran, please mute yourself. Continue, Monish.
Yeah, Ashrit. Thank you, Ashrit, for it's a wonderful opportunity to meet you as a big hero, and thank you for giving me such an opportunity to meet you. And
Don't call me Ashrit. I don't like to hear Ashrit. Call me Ash.
Ash. Okay, thank you, Ash. Okay. Yeah, I watched a lot of films, and based on your acting skills and your behavior and presence on screen, I have made a script for you, especially for you. So I request you. I wanted you to narrate. I want to narrate to you the script that I have made. So if you can give me an opportunity to give, and I will be lucky to direct you in my film.
Let me listen you first. I have lots of busy schedule of movies going to shoot today, so I am very busy. I will give you two minutes max. If you can narrate it, I am fine with it, or I can leave it.
Yeah, I can just give you a storyline. It's a game which we recently have narrated. Yeah, have you seen Jumanji movie?
Yeah, I saw you, mind it.
Yeah,
Which one you want to talk?
it's no, it's not this. I mean, it's the same concept what we are thinking. See, you know that in India now it is so popular game PUBG. So what we are thinking is we wanted to recreate PUBG movie by making you into the PUBG. I mean, with some sort of magic power, you will be going into the game. So if you can't win, you will be died in the game. So as in the real life. So
So
if
you want
with
to kill me indirectly?
no, you will be the winner since you are the hero. You will be the winner at the end. So you will be
Why
having
me? Not why me only? Why not Tom Cruise? Why me only?
yeah, because you are my favorite, Ash, and your presence and whatever the acting skills you have, those are the best things that I can get for the movie. And I feel
Tell me something I don't know.
tell me something you don't know. Maybe your communication with your co-stars, which makes them to feel like home, even when they are on sets while they making the shoot, and your friendliness with the co-stars, whatever it may
But
be.
I always heard the bitching from the people.
Yeah, see, when there is a good, you will listen the bad also. So you have to take only the good things, whatever you listen. Even in as a debut director, you might listen so many bad things about me, but still, I'm a good director, and only you can know when you directed when you are when I direct
So
you.
did you ever directed any play? It might be your the first movie, but did you had any experience on this platform?
Yeah, I made some short films, which you can see in the YouTube. Uh, we are in the genre, I mean both romance and killer genre I have made.
Show me some of your work and what is the views like in how many hours you got the views? What are the reviews on your play? Let me know about you first because you know me, so I
Yeah,
don't need to introduce myself. So you need to introduce yourself.
yeah, I can
I
share you
like
the
the
details.
story idea.
Yeah, I can share you the details. Thank you.
Thank you. See you soon in the stage.
Well done, both of you. A big round of applause for both of you. And my next question is to Christy Maria. Christy?
Yes, yes, I'm.
Okay. See the pain of discipline. Or pain of discipline or pain of regret. There are two separate statements.
Can you repeat?
You have to pain of discipline
Okay. Pain of discipline
or
or
pain of regret.
okay. I had to pick one of those.
Yes, you have to explain both explain both of them. You have to wanna pick one.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kiran, for your topic, table topic. So the first, let me that. And the pain of discipline is something For example, if you're gonna
Krishti,
if
switch
you
off
wanna
your
go.
camera.
Krishti,
It's
switch off your
impossible to
camera.
hear.
It's impossible to hear.
Okay. So am I audible now? Okay, so
Yes.
let me start from the once again. Maunesh, please note the time. And okay, the pain of discipline uh, is something I want to explain through an example. If you want to go out for a movie and that too at night, 12 o'clock with your friends, it is something which is not up to a disciplined person will do according to our parents. So it's like discipline, and if you want to be disciplined, then obviously you can't go out at night 12 a.m. with your friends, and that too it's not safe to go out. So let's be more disciplined. So you are taking the pain of not going out. That is the pain of discipline. But the pain of discipline is something which will give you more good to in your life. If you go out and then if something happens, then it will. It will give you more regret than you. No, if you're going, if you're going and if something happens to you, then you will get more regret that you have went. So it's better to stay at home at that point of the time. So this is pain of discipline, which will actually be a good thing for you. But the pain of regret is something you have done wrong and you are feeling regret for it, and it is a negative sense. Anyways, you have done something wrong and you are feeling regret. So obviously, I will suggest the pain of discipline because you are taking some effort so that you won't regret in your future for that. So I will go with the pain of discipline rather than the pain of regret. Thank you. Over to Kiran.
Thank you, Krishtimaja. Very well done. My next question is to Vivek Ram. Vivek Ram. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Kiran,
Okay.
you're audible.
Do you think the public speaking is essential in your in everyone's life, like who is into this profession or like any other profession?
Okay. If I'm to repeat the question, you're asking me whether do you
Public
feel
speaking
that
is essential. Yeah.
how necessary is public speaking for our profession or any profession for that matter?
Yes.
Okay. So I'd like to say that the importance of public speaking, whether you are in a profession or not, is very much required because you will always be given an opportunity in one stage or another of your life where you will have to address a gathering. And while you are to address a gathering, it is most important for us to know and have the skill as to how to opine ourselves without harming any person's individual belief system. And I feel we can inculcate this habit only through the art of public speaking, because never can two persons have the similar mindset or believe in one thing in the same way. So while you are speaking publicly, it is very much needed that you put out your views without harming others' beliefs. So I feel it is very much important, and we can excel and shine through public speaking. And I'm not able to quote what Ramlal sir says, and if you all can recollect what he has that punch quote that it keeps us heads and shoulders above the rest. So I feel that it is very much important, and nothing can replace it. No other skill can replace the art of public speaking. So yeah, that is my views on it.
Thank you, Vikram. It was very insightful. So my next question is for Divya. Divya? I'm audible?
Yes, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Tell
So
me.
what do you find what do you find one common thing in all successful person?
One thing that I find common in all successful people. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Kiran, for that wonderful topic. And if I really have to say, I think it is one thing that I feel is very important for any person to have is humility. most of them would become very successful early on. And sometimes they won't know how to handle themselves in a humble manner in spite of all of their success. And that would make them go through a lot of struggles and difficulties later on in their lives that they won't know, because once you get that maturity, you have a lot of headweight that you tend to hold on to, and that is not something that should be there, because you should know where you stand, where your limits are, and value your foundation. So in a way, if you have to have that humility, it's a very wonderful skill to have. And so yeah, that's what I'd say, that I think this is the most important, and I feel that most of the successful people do have that to some extent. And I really look up to some of the like even some of we all have the wrong idols sometimes. Like we look up to all the film stars, actors, and everybody. But to be very honest, the person that I really admire is my mom, my dad. So I feel that they are more successful and humble that way. So that way, I mean, I've been brought up in that environment. So I feel that that's an important skill that you can have in spite of anything else. So thank you, Kiran, for that lovely topic.
Thank you, Divya. So my next question is to Rohit.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning. So
This is my first session.
yes, okay. Okay, like your question is, where do you want to see yourself after 10 years?
Tell me once again.
Where do you want to see yourself after 10 years?
After 10 years, I'll become CA and qualified CA, and I want to start own my office. I should be running own business after 10 years. I would like to see on particular the job.
You want to specialize in something, or or generally you want to cover everything?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Rohit.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. And my next question is to Srishti. Srishti?
Yeah, hi, Kiran.
Hi. How was your first day in your college? Like after 10th, first PUC for you go to college, right? How was your first day? And you have to express.
Okay. If I say literally, I was studying in a CBSE school in 10th, but actually at that time, like I am the elder daughter in my home, so there was nothing like I should go out for studies, and I had no idea about what to do and like in future and all. So I just joined the college or where all my friends joined and all the other things. What my friends did, I did the same thing. They took Hindi, I took Hindi. I didn't even like bother about it's Kannada, we have to take Kannada. No, I just what they are doing, I just kept on like what they are doing, I just did that. But the thing is, I enjoyed lot because when there is a Kannada class, we used to come out of the class because we are a Hindi students. So because there was no teacher of Hindi, it was our own self study and self exam, self question we have to prepare, self exam we have to give. Results also we also used to give by ourselves. So that was like best thing in my college when I after my school. And other thing was in my 11th standard, I had history because in my place we don't have stats and economics for the option, but we have only one option, history. If you want to study here, you have to take history. And our history teacher was Hitler. She used to like by heart and mug up all the things and all that, whatever there is in textbook. But she used our whole textbook very like efficiently, and there was no person who took below 80 in history. It was all because of her, and I thank today also to teach history in like with our life examples and all the things. That's it. Thank you. Over to you, Kiran.
Thank you, Srishti. Thank you very much. So my last question is Bhaskar Marathi. Bhaskar,
Then tell me.
who is your inspiration and why do you inspire him or her, like whoever it may be?
Yeah, good question. My inspiration is there are a lot of people are there in my life by various stages, but particularly if I want to mention, then I really followed Swami Vivekananda. What the Kannada we use, "Eli eddeli guri muttuva tanaka nilladiri." Like those quotes are really motivational in school days or in high school days. From high school, I followed. So I think one is Swami Vivekananda, and if I mention other person, that's Bhagat Singh, who is it's like a patriotic motivation. So and if I mention some other people, is that mother and my father, they supported a lot and they guided me like what to do, what not to do. They are the real motivation of children life. So I think that's it. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much, Bharati. And thus comes to an end for this session. Like, thank you all the participants who participated in the meeting. So I want to share one thing about the parents which I've seen in front of me, they're very close, close relatives. So there was a parents, the mother and father, one son, who was not always listening to their parents. He was not even studying. He was against their parents. And one day he went to a jail, and for 6 months he was in jail. And he came from the jail, and they accepted him. They accepted. They did not deny that you are you did some wrong thing, and you go out. They accepted him. And after some days, and he loved one girl, and he allowed that with girl. Again, they did not deny him, they denied them. They accepted. So this shows that the unconditional love and true love towards their son or daughter, so which cannot be replaceable by anybody. So by observing that, I started to understand the parents' importance and their sacrifices in our life, in everyone's life. So that's why they asked me one thing. My parents asked me one thing, that I want to do something big, which can everyone be proud. So no doubt, my dream is to to become a CA and do something in this course, to become a CA. So this course, this CA has been emanated from them. They asked me to do something big, so that everyone can proud of it. So I did not find anything other than CA, so that to be proud. So this is a gift I'm going to give my parents, and 3 to 4 months down the line when I become a CA. So that's all from my end. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Over to MC.
It's a wonderful session, Kiran. Before going somewhere else, I want Monish to mention. Monish, I want a particular person to be my co-star.
Okay. So for the hosting. No, I didn't understand. In the movie you wanted
Jackie Chan.
Oh, yeah, you wanted Jackie Chan. Okay, we'll make you one of the team member.
Okay. So let's go ahead. And as we know, our intelligence is nurtured by our parents. Now, I want all of you to know the current scenarios by listening our current affair master, Srishti.
Thank you, Ashraf. It's Sarvotam here. Namaste to one and all. I will be handling the current affair session today. Yeah. Can I get a thumbs up? Hello? Yeah. That's
It would be better if
the
you switch
encouragement.
on the camera.
Yeah. Mm. Yes. Here you go. Yeah. Hi. Hello, everyone. Yes. Before moving to current affair, I just want your 2 minutes or a minute to know what's the current affair means. Current affair is a genre of broadcast journalism. Then what is broadcast journalism? Broadcast is widely published, and journalism is a writing or telling about a current event based on facts or supporting proof or evidence. This is what a current affair means. So after knowing the reason, meaning, we will move into current affairs. Firstly, international. Yeah, Philippines approved a genetically modified golden rice. Yeah, golden rice is genetically modified, has been given an approval for a commercial production. Health experts believe that this decision will save lives and reduce a childhood blindness in developing worlds. Yeah, and secondly, China to active world's first clean nuclears. What is this clean nuclear means? That they did not used uranium in it. They used water in it. That's interesting. And as we all know, Tokyo Olympic 2020 is going on. We as India stands at 12th place by winning one silver medal, which was contributed by Mirabai Chanu in weightlifting category. And Olympic started in 23rd July and it will move on till 8th August. And China is at first place by 3 gold and 1 bronze. Italy at second place, 1 gold and 2. Sorry, Italy is at second place by 1 gold and 1 silver, and same as Japan, 1 gold and 1 silver. Moving on, our T20 cricket World Cup will start at 17th October. And yesterday, as of 6th anniversary of Skill India mission, addressed by PM Modi, government has decided to set up the Indian Institution of Heritage at Noida, Gautam Buddha Nagar. And Home Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated research-based center for excellence at National Forensic Science University in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. In film field, that Payal Kapadia for A Night of Unknown Things won the Golden Eye Award. RBI imposed for 14 banks for non-compliances. It totals to 14.5 crores of amount, and maximum fine is 2 crores on Bank of Baroda. Finally, time and tide wait for none. Today's this news will be outdated for tomorrow's. Just be updated. To conclude this, time is we want most and use at worst. So just to be fit and survive in this world, being updated is the key, and consistency is what we wanted at most. Or to MC. Thank you. Thank you for the patience listening. Hello.
Thank you, Sarvottam. I will be noting all the words you say. Thank you. I would like to call our general evaluator, Vishal, to proceed with the evaluation.
Thank you, Ashrit.
Thank you, Ashrit.
It's good to
It's
be
good
back.
to be back.
Like coming back to the
Coming
pavilion.
back to the pavilion.
I request everyone to
Request everyone to
mute yourself other
mute
than
yourself
Vishal.
other than this.
Okay. I think the echo has stopped. So yeah, I was saying, as I was telling, it's good to be back. It's like after we finish the fielding innings, you just come back to pavilion for a quick drink or two of energy drink. Don't let your imaginations run wild. Anyway, moving on to general evaluation. It's a fantastic session that we had here. You know, especially on Sunday mornings with our groggy eyes, we wake up. To be nurtured by this kind of session is really nice. Would like to first call upon our filler words counter, Vinod Raj, to give his report. Go ahead, Vinod.
Actually, it's Srishti.
Oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah, go ahead.
So moving on to the first. Am I audible? Yeah. So moving on, taking from the first speaker, Divya, I'll just give the report who has used filler words more than 5 times. So Divya used a for less than 5 times. She had a good pauses for 2 times and bad pauses for 1 time. And next, Kiran M. He used a for more than 6 times and like for 3 times. Shreyash Krishnan, he didn't use any filler words. Aishwarya used for 2 times and for 6 times. Sarvottam used for 6 times. Ashrit and Maunesh conversation. Maunesh used for 6 times and Ashrit used for 2 times. That's it. Over to you, Vishal. Thank you.
You didn't mention GE. What did GE do wrong?
Actually, I didn't note down about GE. As only I noted down about speakers. That's it.
Okay. No problem, no problem. Good report, Srishti. You did one thing that you did fantastically was you mentioned about pauses. It's very important to note that speaking or not speaking are at the same level. It's very important to know that when to give good pause. You highlighted that. That was fantastic. Good job. Good report. Can we have a thumbs up and the show of hands, please, for Srishti? Okay, let's move on. Let's call upon our grammarian of the day.
Good morning once again.
Morning.
Congratulations to you all on using a lot of good usages of English, and I really enjoyed being a grammarian as I got to listen. The theme of the day was really nice as it was on the parents, and a lot of people spoke on family, and it was really nice to be listening and noting down of some of the good words. We uh, To my surprise today, a lot of them used the word of the day, nurture. The count goes on for 7. I mean, 7 people used the word nurture, and the word nurture was used. I mean, the word nurture was used 7 times. The quote was reiterated for 3 times, and some of them used the theme for around 5 times. So I've noted down some of the good words that were being used. Uh, it goes like this: virtue, feeble, introspect, uh, and pondered, stranded, compassion, hypocrisy, rampant, emanated. These are some of the words I noted down, which I felt were really good, and we could use repeatedly in the coming meets. And some of the good phrases I got to hear is being happy never goes out of style, uh, and family supports in a very every capacity and aspects of life. Time and tide never waits for none. God is looking at us. We better do good job. That's it. And we had a little nice concert from Ashrit initially. So some of the improvements which I noted down, which are really minimal, are that some of them used, or one of them used, love that shower. I think it should have been love that they shower, right? One of them used fall into tears. I think it should have been shred tears. One of them used the word nurture. I mean, spelled the word nurture as nature. So it should have been nurture. And one of them used the word died. It should be dead, right? So I think that's it for the day. Thank you, everyone. Over to G.
Thank you, Adarsh. A fantastic report. It's as important to note the points of improvement as it is to pat ourselves on the back for what we did right. Fantastic report by Adarsh. Can we have a thumbs up and show of hands, please? Okay. Yeah, we'll call the time manager. Monish, take it away.
Thank you, G. And here is my timer report. Meeting starting time 8:06 a.m. and participants. SA Vivek took 1 minute 40 seconds. Christy took 6 presidential address 6 minutes 42 seconds. Minutes Srishti 2 minutes 50 seconds. And MC overall he took 3 minutes 10 seconds. GE as of now it is 2 minutes 40 seconds. P5 Divya she took 6 minutes 10 seconds. Individual evaluator he took 1 minute 20 seconds. Current affairs Sarvotam took 4 minutes 56 seconds. Timer Maunesh took 40 seconds. Grammarian Adarsh he took 3 minutes 10 seconds. Srishti in filler road counter she took 1 minute 30 seconds. Bhaskar as a listener 45 seconds. And butterfly session was started at 8:38 a.m. and it ended at 9:12 a.m. Shrey and butterfly speakers Shreyas took 2 minutes 30 seconds. Aishwarya R took 2 minutes. Sarvotam 2 minutes 32 seconds. Vishal 2 minutes 15 seconds. And Maunesh and Ashrit combinedly took 3 minutes 50 seconds. Christy 1 minute 45 seconds. Vivekram 1 minute 40 seconds. Divya 1 minute 20 seconds. Rohit and Srishti. Rohit took 1 minute. Srishti took 2 minutes. Bhaskar 1 minute 40 seconds. Over to G.
Thank you, Manish. As a timer, you I think are upholding your responsibilities now also. It was crisp and short. Fantastic. Can we have a round of applause for our timer, please? Okay, let's move on to my job. The meeting was started at 8:06, partly no thanks to the general evaluator. Noted. And good job that you started without me. That shows commitment. That shows conviction. Fantastic. Good job on doing that. President Christie, I mean, what a presidential address. Can I ask? Oh, okay.
Vishal, I have the report of the surgeon at AMS. So I have written on behalf of.
Go ahead.
Okay. The Vivekram was the surgeon at AMS. He was very confident, calm, and composed. He has introduced the theme, code, and word of the day, and the code of conduct of the meeting. He was well dressed and set energy for the forum. He has introduced the president in a cordial manner. And the point of improvement, maybe he can improve on his energy and the way he speaks, like in a jovial way, so that it can set fire on the forum. So over to G.
Thank you. I'm sure Vinod will take note of that. Okay, moving on to the first. Christy, can you? Okay, right. Presidential address. Never did I expect that kind of presidential address. To be fair, to be frank, what a emotional gut punch that was. Oh my God! Wow. I still think of that, and it's just fantastic presidential address, so to speak. You were formal. That is something I would like everyone's attention to be drawn at. Even though we are virtual, even though things are, like Ashrit is joining from somewhere, me, I'm joining from somewhere. Everyone is doing something else, and only through this we are meeting. But to take that seriously, is something to be looked upon. Good job, Christy, on that. One thing you can look upon is maybe a little bit more preparation and a little bit more structure. Everyone's busy, understandable, but the entire story and the emotion was such that it really was the gut punch that shook us out of the morning blues. Good job on that. Um, Congratulations on that fantastic presidential address. Hope to see you improve along the way. Can we have a round of applause for President, please? Okay, moving on to Secretary Srushti. Reading the minutes is one of the areas that may or may not involve innovation. I think you did I think one of the better jobs at reading minutes than I've seen. You took a little bit of efforts. You ensured that there was a little bit of novelty to it instead of just reading the report. So that was good. That was to be encouraged. Another thing you did was I didn't know that last meeting and collaboration and everything that happened. So good job on the entire team for ensuring that. Hope to see more of that. One thing that you can look upon is, or you can maybe mention, you talked about butterfly session, that piqued my interest. Maybe a little bit you could elaborate on one or two topics that was given. Say, okay, this was the most important topic that was felt, or who won the butterfly session, what was their topic. Maybe you could mention like that, and or just add a little bit of novelty to it. You already brought so much of energy into it, so much of innovation into that. Fantastic. Good job. Can we have a round of applause for Srishti, please? Then we move back to the president. President, one thing to maybe look upon is the introduction of the master of ceremony. Master of ceremony is the one who carries the meeting forward from where you sign off or where you leave it. So a little bit of more energy there. And Ashrit has, hundreds of things to speak about him. He sings. He is a fantastic looking guy. He can portray an actor very well. He can show a lot of attitude. So a lot of things to speak about him. Maybe a little bit time spent on that can be looked upon. Otherwise, then you stretch a little bit of energy. That was good. Intro. Then we move on to the master of ceremony himself, man of many colors, Ashrit. Ashrit, what a fantastic job you did today. A master of ceremony has to have reins in his control. You did that. You were the calming effect when everything was going haywire. You came in, calm down, relax, let's go. You brought that jazz vibe. That was good. I have not seen that in MC. MC is all who, this, that kind of calmness I've not seen. Good job on using that. As I move forward, I'll be touching back to you, touching back upon your role, and I'll be letting you know. Then we move on to the prepared speeches. Prepared speeches, dominance of humans on Earth. What a novel kind of topic. It came out of nowhere, I guess. I never expected that kind of topic, Divya, to speak upon. You took about 6 minutes, 10 seconds. Good job. 6 minutes and above is always fantastic. You are above 95%. That's good. Maybe you can look to improve that to 6 minutes, 50 seconds, maybe another 40 more seconds if you could ensure. That would have been good. One thing you can look upon to ensure that you reach that 7-minute target is a little bit of pacing. You had so much to speak and you were going at a little bit of fastest pace, I feel. Such an interesting topic, a little bit slower. You already had the good pauses, maybe a little bit of You emphasized few things which you felt were necessary. A little bit more of that, a little bit more of good pauses, a little bit more pacing would have been fantastic. You used the word good hand moments were there. P5, how do you do it through virtual means? Is a challenge. Not many of us face, but you did a fantastic job. You ensured that your hand movements were visible. Your most of your had good background and everything. All that factors into when we do virtual things. P5 objective was met fantastically, no doubt on that. Again, I would like to reiterate, this is splitting hairs, by the way. A fantastic job, but if I have to say something, maybe you can look upon restraining a little bit. If I do 100% all the time, maybe it might not be appropriate all the time. So a little bit of restraint here and there, maybe also good, but nobody can say you did not meet the objectives of P5. So congratulations on that. Like an idiot, I'm spooing on. Let me first call upon the individual evaluator of P5. Go ahead, please.
Thank you, G. I'd like to begin by saying that I personally liked the speech, and I wish to ask whether did she read *Sapiens: Brief History of Humankind* by Yuval Noah, because she made
Exactly.
reference to him. Oh yeah, okay. And starting with the topic selection, it was a great topic, and your preparation of the content was excellent. I'm saying this because you listed out the reasons as to why a species is successful, and it was through the pointers. And my ability as an IE is limited, and I have nothing to complain about your body language. And I feel it was apt, and I also feel that there's a lot which I can learn from it. Coming to the eye contact, you're making good eye contact to the camera, but at times you're also looking towards your left. I'm just wondering what is that. I'm looking at the camera and also that. So then your speech organization was really brilliant because it was logical in sequence. And what I liked the most was the conclusion. You brought out the importance of nurturing and compassion equally. And even though we are dominant as a species, and we should have compassion towards all the other creatures too, because even they have families too. So it was a very nice ending. And you're successfully qualified for your P5, and all the best for your next project. And before I give it to the G, a study conducted by the National Human Genome Research Institute, US, states that the genetic similarity between that of a human and a mouse is 85%, between a human and a cow is 80%, with that of a fly 61%, and of a chicken and a banana it is 60%. So over to G.
Thank you, Vivek, for the fantastic evaluation. You went into more facets than I did, so congratulations on that. What a fantastic evaluation, Vivek. Good job. I concur with all your points. Divya, you already heard from your IE. You already cleared P5. Congratulations on that. Can we have a round of applause for the prepared speaker, please?
Thank you, GE. Thank you, Vivek. I've noted down the points that you guys told. I'll improve on that.
Fantastic. After knowing that, I share 60% or more with flies, I would like to, move on with the butterflies, so to speak. Butterfly master Kiran, what a fantastic job, man. Really to be appreciated. One of the best butterfly sessions I have attended. I've attended near about 15 plus meetings I've attended of SICA Speakers Forum. I can confidently say this is one of the best amongst them. Good job, Kiran. Fantastic job. Good topics. Give opportunity to first timers. It was a nostalgic trip, in the beginning when you started, when you showed us a film through Monish and Ashrit. One thing I liked about this is, even though we have to keep with the topic, we have to keep with the theme, and all that is necessary and all that permeates the meet, you ensured that the topics were random. It wasn't like, okay, this is the theme, based on themes only everything will come. So it did not become, we were not able to anticipate what was coming. You talked about importance of public speaking, common in all successful people. Where do you see after 10 years? Who was you inspired? all that first day in college, all those are random topics that nobody can expect, especially when you started with, okay, what do you learn from fathers and mothers, when you from your parents, what do you see in yourself, all that kind of things, it sets the tone, but then you disrupted that. Good job on that. That is finer points that few people observe. Good job. Butterfly speakers, I will not evaluate anybody. I would like to just mention that all of us have spoken for at least 1 or more minutes. That's an achievement in itself. Every one of us has got a chance, and all of us have did justice to that. All of us have spoken for 1 or more minutes. You, the first time was also did a fantastic job. People who we do not associate normally with public speaking also surprised us and told us, no, you are wrong. That was good. That is to be encouraged. Good job on that. Butterfly Master Kiran, you truly were a master in this session. A round of applause for you.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you very much.
Current affairs, Sarvottam. You explained the meaning. Again, look, boss, we do this almost every week. Bringing something new to is always encouraged. Explain the meaning. Frankly speaking, I didn't know what was broadcast journalism. I didn't know what was current affairs, what the exact meaning. I thought current affairs, okay, current events, whatever news is going on, that's it. Brought a new dimension to that. It is to be appreciated. Not many people think about that their role that seriously. You took it up that seriously. That is to be appreciated. You ensured you had news from all facets, not only from our field. That is also a little bit refreshing. We are so focused on due dates, deadlines, and whatnots. So a little bit hearing about everything else is also good. I'd like to honorably mention Mirabai, our gold or the silver medalist. Congratulations to her, and our current affairs masters. Congratulations to you. Please let's have a round of applause for our current affairs masters, Sarvottam. I think that's it. That's the overall evaluations. I think our tag team only listener is left. I'll have handing over to him. Before I do that, I just want to mention few things. Fantastic efforts by the overall, the entire team here. Good job on doing it virtually, no matter what. That shows commitment. That is appreciated. One thing I would like to reiterate is maybe try and introduce a technical session also, if possible. We have a general public speaking session for prepared speakers. Maybe a technical session can also be looked upon. We have our eloquent professionals group. They have, I think, perfected this kind of thing. They also follow a similar pattern as us. That is for qualified chartered accountants. They also do this, I think, weekly. They ensure that they have a public speak in the prepared speech sessions. They have one general topic speakers and they have technical topic speakers. Maybe we can also look to include this. One more thing that we had talked upon, but I think because of lack of resources or something, we were not able to execute this. Maybe a demo kind of meet on YouTube. You are already collaborating with multiple branches. I hear that many projects, many inter-branch projects are on the way. It would be good for us to ensure that we have a demo kind of meet, a typical generic demo kind of meet on YouTube or any other platform that we can share it to people. Say, look, this is what the meet is going to be. This will answer any or all the questions that you might have. Maybe we can look into that, a demo kind of meet on YouTube or other platforms. That might also encourage other people to join. Another thing is that Sunday morning, understandable that all of us are waking up, after a long week. You're waking up 8 o'clock and all that kind of thing. A little bit of energy is well appreciated. As I told, it's a different kind of energy to have that calmness and do that. People who are not fine-tuned with the nuances may not feel that. That is to be kept in mind. But other than that, what a fantastic meet. What a way to open a Sunday. Okay, fine. We can post today's meet. We can do that. Okay, fine. So I think most of the things I told have already been taken care of in the chat. You can see. So good job on that. No complaints here. Then. Good job. You're already doing everything you can and everything I can imagine. So fantastic job on that. Good job on a good meet. Round of applause for everyone. Now I would like to officially stop talking and hand it over to the listener so that the chat wars can begin. Go ahead, listener.
I would like to call Bhaskar.
Thank you, Vishal, and thank you, Ashrit, for my introduction. And now be ready with your chat box. Yes, all are ready? One thumbs up, please. Yeah, okay, fine, thank you. Yeah, start with first question. That's what is the title of the speech given by Divya? The dominance of Homo sapiens. Any other answer? Perfect answer? Complete? Okay, I will consider Christie. Its complete is that dominance of Homo sapiens on planet Earth. The perfect answer. On human on Earth, as said by this. No, it's the dominance of Homo sapiens on planet Earth. Okay, then next question is, while giving her speech, Divya mentioned that human is dash. No. Yeah, Monesh Kumar. The human is animal.
Bhaskar, I
My
only didn't know when you asked the question.
No, you should know. No, you are the speaker. you should search now where it is. Social animal. Okay, fine. Next question will be the one reform mentioned by Sarvottam is regarding the exam in his butterfly speech. What is that? Yeah, correct answer by Vishal. It's the transparency. My fourth question will be, what has the ability to transform life? It's also from Divya's speech. What has the ability to transform the life? Yeah, Christy give the correct answer. It is nurturing. Now, what is the color of the day? First answer, Ashrit, the brown. Two options given to Christy when butterfly speech. She selected one option at the end of the speech. What is that? So which one she selected at the end? Shreyas Krishnan given the first answer. It's a pain of discipline. Now the scoring is 4 people are similar and Christy is 2 points. Meaning all are in equal 1 point. Okay, my next question will be, if we have mentioned that one thing of successful person, what is that? Yeah, humility. Now, ask one question for Christy and Shreyas, only for them because their points are equal now, 2 points. Yeah, are you ready, Christy and Shreyas? Okay. What is the word of the day? The answer given by first is Christy, so nurture. Yeah, finally, best listener is Christy Maria Babu, the president of SSF. Yeah, thank you. Over to Ashit.
The evaluation on the listener.
Yeah, good job, Bhaskar. As Christy told, the best listener. The speaker didn't remember, but you remembered that. Good job, good listening. Questions were interesting. You ensured that that tiebreaker comes up. Presence of mind, boss. Bhaskar always, he is his melody is not only through his flute but also is through his actions. Congratulations. Round of applause, please.
Thank you.
Back to MC.
G is giving the mic to G only. You don't want to give anyone else.
Yeah, I know.
Speak. It was a wonderful session with everyone, and Bhaskar, it was tremendous listener round, and congratulations to the best listener of today, Christy. And before I end, we all know that parents are the God. The one and only God don't have any caste, don't have any race. Every person praise the parents as they're the only end. So there is a line we heard: if God can't be everywhere, but the parents can be your back. Thank you for this today's session. Thank you. I want Christy for the thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashrit. So, firstly, I would like to thank our GE Vishal for accepting our request and coming and giving his valuable speech on this. Thank you so much, Vishal, for your valuable evaluation and listening throughout the meet and for your kind cooperation. Thank you so much, Vishal. So let's give a round of applause for our GE, Mr. Vishal. Next, I will thank all the committee members, all the new participants who have come over here and making this meet a grand success. Thank you so much for everyone. Now let's take a group pick and then we will announce the winners. So kindly participants, the speakers, kindly give your votes through the link which is given in the chat box. So meanwhile, we will take a group pick. Maunesh, can you take Ashrit? I'm using the phone, that's right.
Yeah, I'm taking the. Please switch on the camera.
Switch on the cameras.
Vinod, Aishwarya, Monesh, Shreyas, Rohit. Do I need to call everyone? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Say cheese.
Better.
Done, right?
Done.
Okay. Now, it's a custom to call the people who are new to the forum. I guess a few people are new in this forum, like Rohit and I guess Shreyas, right? So let me call first Rohit. Rohit, are you there? No, I guess he is not there. Oh, yes, he's there.
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, now you can speak on how you come to know about the forum and how you feel about our forum and how you can do to promote our forum so that it can reach out to many people and it can be useful for many people in our CF written in a student community. Over to you, Rohit.
Can you tell me how to continue me?
You can just tell about how you feel about our forum.
Okay. Actually, this is the first time. I fear, okay, how to start here. I don't know, first of all, fluent English. Before entering to, I have fear how to talk with new friends, new colleagues. But I'm not have a fear. Next, regularly when I continue attend, I'm comfortable. This is the first time I'm not adjust. I'm not of comfort. Mm, and I'm very happy actually this is the session. That's it. Thanks.
Let's put a round of applause for Rohit for taking an effort in coming into a meet and because every single step, 1,000 steps starts with a single step. So you have taken that single step forward. So looking forward you in the next meets. Thank you so much,
Okay.
Rohit. And next, let's call upon Mr. Shreyas. Shreyas?
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, you are. Go ahead.
Yeah. So this is my first participation in Sikasa Meet. Vishal, actually, I know Vishal from the last 3 years. So I've actually seen him upfront how he goes about doing public speaking, how he speaks to others. So, and I can attribute a good amount of that to the Sikasa meets that he's been attending. Because I've been patiently watching through and listening to the entire meet, and it was actually a joyful experience. Waking up at 8 a.m. On a Sunday morning, not everybody will be up for that. And yeah, I was in for a good treat over the last 2 hours. So I frankly enjoyed it, and I could also pick up a few useful skills and good learnings throughout the course of the meet. So yeah, I look forward to attending more meetings in the future. Yeah, so thank you everyone.
Thank you, Shreyas. And even Vishal is a person whom we all admire about, and we always try to inculcate some of the qualities which he has because he is very good at public speaking. Even I got inspired by him. That's for Novi. And let me call upon Aishwarya. Aishwarya, are you there?
And it is very good session. I think I am very excited to come more meets like that. So it's very good. Okay, then thank you.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Hope we will meet in the next meet too. And within some, if you continuously attend some 2-3 meets, no, you will feel yourself that you are changing. You will improve in your public speaking, and even you can improve your confidence. And it's a best opportunity for you. So hope you will be coming for the upcoming meets. Thank you so much, guys. And now we are taking the suggestions. If any point of improvement which we can inculcate in this forum. Like Vishala said about, I mean, the demo which we can post in the YouTube. Actually, we have done it in our all the mates, almost all the mates we are recording, and we are uploading it in YouTube. And the other thing is we have an Instagram page, and even we have so we will be communicating everything through the Instagram page, and even we will be circulating in the groups. So that's what we are doing, and even we have an idea of you are telling about the technical session. We have an idea of that, but we will be soon starting with a debate competition, which I mean, we have to get the approval from the BT Shetty sir for that. After that, we will be starting shortly the debate competition between the branches. So we are planning for that. That will be our upcoming programs related to Asikasa Speakers Forum, that we have to think over that. And then we'll be updating you in our group's Instagram page. Please do like our Instagram page. And that's it. And I want to take suggestion, because suggestions are the best thing which we can, that is how we can improve ourselves. So if anyone have any suggestion regarding the things which we can incorporate in this forum, then please do speak on that. Any suggestions from your side? Otherwise, we'll be taking up the roles for the next meet. Maunesh, you can take up the roles for the next meet.
We'll announce winners after this.
Results. Yes, Maunesh, is the results out? I mean, for the board. How many people have registered and voted?
Hello. Yeah. Best role player. Butterfly master. Kiran. And best butterfly speaker is Shreyas.
So that's it. So the winners will be provided with the certificates. The e-certificates will be sent shortly to the personally. And Shreyas, I don't know whether you have registered. You can get yourself registered, or you can contact us so that we can give you a certificate for the best butterfly speaker. So I think I don't have the contact of him. So you can contact or any of the committee members you can contact. Okay, that's it. So that's it. Let's wind up. Sharp 10 o'clock. We are gonna wind for the first time. And okay, thank you so much, guys. We'll be taking the roles offline. We'll be sending the links shortly by today night or tomorrow morning. We'll be sending the links for the next meet, role takers. So that's it. Have a great day. Signing off. Bye, guys.